Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find URL on Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding the URL of your Shopify store is a straightforward process that if you wanted to share the URL with potential customers on social media or in marketing emails to drive traffic to your store, all you have to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on the online store, and I want you to click on the pages down at the bottom. And on the right side corner, you would be able to see an option that says view page. All right. If you click on it, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. But this is going to be your URL. All right. Now, if you wanted to see or add another page to get a more customized URL, all you have to do is click on add another page. All right. And of course, from here, you can put in the title that you wanted. You can customize and you can be creative as long as you want. You can put in some different colors, center line, and add some image if you wanted. Click that. Click on page. Once you've done that, if you click on it, as you can see, you can edit the website SEO, but that's going to be for another page. If you do that and click on the view page, what will happen is this is going to be still the store URL on Shopify. Now, this is very important if your listings your products on third-party platforms or other websites like blogs or affiliate sites. You have to get the correct Shopify URL to direct traffic back to your store, all right? Or say, for example, when setting up Google Ads, Facebook ads, or other paid marketing campaigns, you would need the store's URL tracking, promotions, and optimizing your ads for conversions. And of course, finding the correct URL ensures functionality and traffic to your store across multiple platforms. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.